Hello there, and welcome to today's class. For today, we're trying to draw the isometric projection that you're seeing at the right hand side of the screen. So, as usual, first things first, before you can draw any isometric projection, your first task is to draw your isometric axis. As in this case, so I'll draw my isometric axis. I'll draw a horizontal line first, right, and draw a vertical line at this point here, upward this way. Then I'll take my set square at an angle 30 degree, and I'll take it this way around at an angle 30 degree. All right, as in this case, right, as in this case here, 30 degree this way. So this is what we refer to as isometric axis, right? So what's my next task here? My next task is to get the entire length, breadth, and height of that figure. My entire length is 74. So 74 from here to here is 74, right? Next task, my entire width is 60, as in this case 60, and my entire height there is 65, from here to here 65. With these 3 points, I'll form out a box, and in that box, that box is where the figure is carved out from, right? So let's draw a box that give more insight about the drawing. I have this faint line, right? Connect this to this. I'll connect this one here to down here, and finally I'll close it up this way. I'll take this to this together, right? So I have this box here. So it means that it's from this box that figure you are seeing is got form. So let's start construction, please. First, observe that from here to here sticking. I'll taking it, right. There's a 45 46 inward here, 45 46 here, 46, and it's ticking. I'll take in mine. I'm done with this. I'll take it upward with a faint line, a little bit upward. So next task is that there's a 15 inward here, 1.5 15, which is this, and I'll taking it. It's ticking. I'll taking it instantly. There's an inward line here, inward here. I'll draw it this way, inward this way. Observe that from here to here is 15. It means that here to here is what? 15. 15 inward, 1.5 inward this way. So I have this. It means that I'll take this one too. I'll take it down a little bit the way I did the previous one. Observe that there's a length of 32 somewhere here. So maybe 32. So taking it. So it means that since here 32, here it is what? 32. So I'll take it this way. Observe. I'll take it. I'll draw a different line down here, right? So it has given my boundary. So it means that I'm going to take in this part here to this, and I'll close here to here. Similarly, I'll close here to here. Then I'll close here to here. Finally, I'll close this to this. I have this, right? What's my next task? Observe that my next task now is to take this line here. I'll take it down the faint line this way. This line down the faint line, right? Such that, observe please. Okay, before we proceed, there's an inward line here of 15 downward. So 15 downward. Since I've drawn a faint line, I'll measure 15 downward, 1.5, and it's ticking. I'll taking it. I have this. So I'll take this edge here, connect this edge to touch this one here. I have this. Similarly, I will take this edge down. Observe please. I'll take this edge here, take it down, take this edge here too, this one here, take it down, such that I will connect this one here. Observe please. I'll connect this one to this way, right? Then I will take this one here, right, to touch this one here, as you can see. Then I'll close it up this way. Now close this one too up this way. As you can see, what we are having at the um, right hand side of the screen. Next task is to take this one here, take it downwards this way, right? Take it down. So for me to get the limit, I'll take this one too down. Let me take it down so I can see it very well. It's a little bit thicker. So I'll take this 2 point down. Observe that from here there's an height of 43 upward. 43 upward. So I can just measure it here. 43 upward. I can just come to this edge here. I can measure it here. 43, 43 at this point. 43, right? At that point 43 there, I'll take it inward. This one here, this point 43, this one here, I'll take it to touch this one here. So it means that my restriction is from here to here, that will thicken. Then I will take this one to touch this here to here. So and I'll close this part here up, close them up. So I have this, right? I have this. So proceeding from here, what's my next task? Obviously, my next task is quite simple. I will take this my t square, take this one down here. Now come here, extend this down this way, and measure what 22, as you can see, right? So 22 from here to here, 22, 22. That's 2.2 centimeter. I have this. So it means that I'll connect this point here, right? I'll connect this point here, this one here, down a little bit. I'll connect this point here down a little bit, please. Then at that point there, I'll measure 30. As you can see, 30 down. There's 30 from here to here is 30 somewhere. So measure 30 down. From here to here, measure 30. This 30, and it's ticking. I'll tick in the 30. So I have this as my 30. Observe that this down here is also a 30. 30 down. Measure that same 30 and ticking it, which I've taken here. There's an height of 20, 20 upward. Measure 20, right? Such that I will take this part here, take it up this way, take faint line, and I'll close them up with this. Close them up to touch this. Then I'll take in this part here, right? I'll take in this part here. So I have this, right? I have this. Proceeding from here, my next task now is to connect point. So it means that I'll connect this point here to touch this, connect this point here to touch this. I have this, as you can see. All right, let's get this done, please. Proceeding from here, what is my next task from here? My next task from here is to get something right. I'll extend this one. Since I've extended this one this way, I'll take this one here and close this part here up this way, such that I will thicken this to this, right? I'll thicken that to that. Then I will take this. Observe, I'll take this edge here inward a little bit. So I'll take this one to touch that faint line I drew inward a little bit this way. Then finally I can easily close them up this way, right? I have what you're seeing at the right hand side of the screen. Then let's get this done, please. So it means that I'll take each point this way. I'll take this one, this edge here, take it inward, and I'll take this edge here, take it inward. Where they meet is at this point here, so I can easily take in this part here. Hang on, hang on. All right, I will first things first. I'll take this one down, right? Or perhaps you're just sticking here to here. Yes, sticking here to here. Then I'll take this to touch that point. right? So I have this. So this is like what we are having at the right hand side of the screen. So if you found this class helpful, do not forget to click on subscribe button and like. Thank you. Welcome to Wise Link Academy. See you in the next class.